Hello, my name is Tijani Yusuf. I work with Nigeria Tulips International College. I am here to answer Chemistry 2017 JAMB question. Question number 1. Which of the following statement is not correct? Which of the following statement is not correct? Let us see the option. Option A. The average kinetic energy of a gas is directly proportional to its temperature. B. At constant temperature, the volume of a gas increases as the pressure increases. C. The pressure of a gas is inversely proportional to the density. D. The temperature of a gas is directly proportional to its volume. Let's see this option A. The average kinetic energy of a gas is directly proportional to its temperature. That is, increase in temperature leads to increase in kinetic energy. B. At constant temperature, the volume of a gas increases as the pressure increases. That is, increase in volume leads to increase in pressure. C. Pressure of a gas is inversely proportional to density. That is, increase in pressure leads to decrease in density. And D. Temperature of a gas is directly proportional to volume. Increase in temperature leads to increase in volume. Let's see the explanation. From Boyle's law, state that pressure and volume of a gas have an inversely relationship. If volume increases, then the pressure increases. All right? That is, Boyle's law states that the volume of a given mass of a gas is inversely proportional to the pressure. Let's go back to the question. From here, which one is the correct answer? Option A, no. Average kinetic energy of a gas is directly proportional to its volume, which is correct. And the question says, which of the following is not correct? Then, C, the pressure of a gas is inversely proportional to density, is true. D, the temperature of a gas is directly proportional to its volume, true. At constant temperature, the volume of a gas increases as the pressure increases. It means, with this, we cannot agree. At constant temperature, the volume of a gas increases as the pressure increases. Which of the following is not correct? B is not correct. Let's move to question number 2. Zinc oxide is a, let's see the option. Option A, a basic oxide. A basic oxide is the oxide of a metal. When dissolved in water, it will produce hydroxide. B, acidic oxide. Acidic oxide is an oxide of non-metal. When dissolved in water, it will produce a weak acid. While amphoteric oxide is the oxide of metal or non-metal which behave as an acid or a base. Then neutral oxide. Okay, neutral oxide, these are the oxide of non-metal too, but they can neither react with acid nor base. Let's see the explanation. Zinc oxide is an amphoteric oxide. True, zinc oxide is amphoteric oxide. It will dissolve in both acid and alkalis, or acid and base. That is the reason why zinc oxide is amphoteric. Let's see the correct option. Zinc oxide is A. Basic oxide, no. Acidic oxide, no. Neutral oxide, no. The correct answer is amphoteric oxide. It's not only zinc oxide that is amphoteric oxide. Lead oxide is amphoteric, and also aluminium oxide is amphoteric. Tin oxide also is amphoteric. Both of them can dissolve in acid to produce salt and water, and also they can dissolve in base. Next question. When sodium chloride and sodium metal are each dissolved in water, when sodium chloride and sodium metal are each dissolved in water, we can use chemical equation to explain this, but let us see the option. Option A, both processes are exothermic. Option B, both processes are endothermic. Option C, the dissolution of metallic sodium is endothermic. D, the dissolution of metallic sodium is exothermic. Now we need to explain the difference between exothermic and endothermic. Exothermic reaction is a reaction in which the system is losing heat to the surrounding, while endothermic reaction is a reaction in which the system is gaining heat from the surrounding. All right? Let's see the explanation. When small quantity of sodium metal is added to water, there is an exothermic reaction. Let's go back. Okay? Option A, both processes are exothermic. No. When you dissolve sodium chloride, there is no exothermic and no endothermic reaction. Okay? B, both processes are endothermic. No. The dissolution of metallic sodium is endothermic. No, it's not. D is the correct answer. The dissolution of sodium metallic or metallic sodium is exothermic. Yes, it gives out heat to the surrounding. But when you add sodium chloride to water, no reaction, no heat will be given to the surrounding and no heat will be absorbed. Next question. Question number 4. The periodic classification of an element is an arrangement of the element in order of their, let's see the option. Option A, atomic weight. Option B, atomic masses. Option C, molecular weight. And option D, atomic number. All right? Let's hear the explanation. The chemical element are arranged from left to right. You can see this is from hydrogen to helium, 1, 2, lithium. Lithium is number 3. Beryllium is number 4. Boron is number 5. You can see this is the number of, the atomic number of lithium is 3, and the atomic mass is 6.7. Beryllium is atomic number is 4, that is the proton number. Boron is 5, carbon is 6, nitrogen is 7. All right? That's it. And the chemical elements are arranged from left to right and top to the bottom in order of increasing atomic number. That is atomic number. You can see 3, 4, 5, 6 of the number of protons in an atom of nucleus. That is, atomic number is equal to the number of protons, which generally coincide with increase in atomic mass. Yes, that is, the arrangement is based on the atomic number. From atomic number increases from left to right. Let's go back. Let's see our question again and see the option. Atomic weight, no. Molecular weight, no. Next, you have atomic numbers. Next is atomic masses. Okay, that is atomic masses. That is how the elements are arranged in the periodic table. All right, let's see the next question. Question number 5. In the reaction between sodium hydroxide and sulfuric acid, sulfuric acid solution, what volume of 0.5 molar sodium hydroxide would be exactly neutralize 10 cm³ of 1.25 molar of sulfuric acid? What we need to understand is that this molar is the same as mole per dm³. That is the unit. Okay? Option A says it's 5 cm³. Option B is 10 cm³. Option C, 20 cm³. And option D is 50 cm³. All right? All right, from here, let's see. From there, B, the concentration of base is 0.5 mole per dm³. Okay? And that is concentration of base. Volume of base is not given. Okay? Concentration of acid is 1.2 mole per dm³, 25 mole per dm³. Volume of acid is 10 cm³. Why number of mole? Based on this chemical equation, number of mole of acid here is 1, Y base is 2. Therefore, Na is 1, Nb is 2. Okay? And the formula is CaVe. Ca is the concentration of acid. Va, that is the volume of acid given. Cb, that is the concentration of base, multiplied by the volume of base, equals to number of mole of acid all over number of mole of base. Okay? Here, let's make V be the subject of the formula. It's good if you can even say, let's cross the multiplication. If you cross multiply, you have your CB, VB, NE is equals to CE, VA, NB. By make VB the subject of the formula, that's when you get your VB is equals to CA, VA, NB, all over CBNA. That's what you have here. Okay? And this is the value. Ca is 1.2 mole per dm cube. Va is 10 cm cube. My number of mole or multiplied by number of mole of B's, which is 2. All over the molar of base is 0.5 mole per dm cube multiplied by 1, which is the number of mole of acid. From here, mole per dm cube, we cancel mole per dm cube. The answer is 50 cm cube. All right? Let's go back to the option once again. You can see option B is 10 cm cube, which is not correct. Option C, 20 cm cube, no. YD is 50 cm cube. That is the correct option, 50 cm cube. Next question. A small quantity of sodium solid ammonium chloride was heated gently in a test tube. The solid gradually disappeared to produce two gases. Later, a white cloudy deposit was observed on the cooler part of the test tube. The ammonium chloride is said to have undergone option A, distillation, option B, sublimation, option C, precipitation, while option D is evaporation. All right? Let's see. The explanation. Sublimation is the transition of a substance directly from solid phase to the gaseous phase without passing through the intermediate liquid phase. But here, let us even try to see the chemical equation. Ammonium chloride. This is ammonium chloride. All right? It will give you, ammonium chloride is solid. It will give you ammonia gas plus hydrogen chloride gas. This equation, we can say, is reversible reaction. If it is in a closed system, once ammonium chloride is sublimed into these two gases, both of them, they will combine to form ammonium chloride once again. Okay? Let's go back and see the option. Which one is correct? Distillation, no. No, distillation is no. Distillation is not the correct answer. Next, we have, let's see, precipitation is not correct. Then we have evaporation, no. The correct answer is sublimation. That is, a small quantity of ammonium chloride was heated gently into a test tube. The solid gradually disappeared to produce two gases. Those two gases, they are ammonia gas and hydrogen chloride gas. A white cloudy deposit was observed on the cooler part of the test tube. The ammonium chloride is said to have undergone sublimation. Okay, that's the question number 6. Next. Question number 7. Element P, Q, R, and S have 6, 7, 15, and 17 electrons respectively. Okay? You can say they have 6, 7, 11, 15, 17 electrons respectively. Therefore, let's see the option. Q will form a covalent bond with R. Okay? B, Q will form a covalent bond with S. C, R will form an electrovalent bond with S. D, Q will form an electrovalent bond with S. Even before we even move to the explanation, see the explanation, let's see if this one, Rp is a non-metal, okay? Therefore, Q will form a covalent bond with R, okay? Let's just see the explanation there, okay? P, you can see, P is 2, 4. That is the electronic configuration. Q is 281, R is 285, and S, 70 is 287. With this, given the above is the electronic configuration of PQRS, Q will form an electrovalent bond with S. This Q and S. Okay? Q and S. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Q will form an electrovalent bond with S. That is the correct answer. All right? The next question. An element X form the following compounds with chlorine: HCl4, HCl3, HCl2. This illustrates the option A, law of multiple proportions. Option B, law of chemical proportions. Option C, law of simple proportions. And D, law of conservation of mass. Okay, the explanation. John Dalton in 1803 stated that when two elements combine with each other to form two or more compounds, the ratios of the masses of one element that combines with the fixed mass of other elements are in simple whole numbers. Okay? From here, let's go back again. The correct answer here is A. A is the law of simple proportions. That is the correct answer. Okay? Then next question. Silicon containing ore has 92% silicon, 28, 5%, 29 silicon, and 3% of 30 silicon. Calculate the relative atomic mass of silicon. Okay? Let's see the option. Option A is 14.00. Option B, 29.00. Option C, 28.122. Option D, 28.17. If you want to solve this problem, first of all, before we even go to explanation, from here, we have 92%, which is the same as 92 all over 100 multiplied by 28. Okay? Then 5% of 29, that is plus 5 all over 100 multiplied by 29, plus, and 3%, 3 all over 100 multiplied by 30. Addition of this will give you the correct answer. All right? Let's see the explanation there. Okay? It may not clear. The answer here is 28.11. You can see 92 all over 100 multiplied by 28, 5 all over 100 multiplied by 29, 3 over 100 multiplied by 30. Answer is 21.11. Okay? You can see answer is option B is not correct. Option D is not correct. Option C is the correct answer based on our calculation. All right? Then last question of the day. The oxidation state of chlorine in potassium chloride is A1, B 5, 2, C 3, D is 5. From this, what is potassium chloride? If you don't know the formula of potassium chloride, there's no way you can solve this problem. But first of all, let's see. Okay, you can see potassium chloride is KClO3. Okay, if it is KClO3, therefore from KClO3, what is potassium? Potassium is in group 1. And all group 1, they have +1 charge. Oxygen is in group 6, they have -2. That's what you can see there. And what is potassium? From here you can see that potassium is +1. Then chlorine, we don't know the oxidation of chlorine. While oxygen is -2, everything is equal to 0. You have 1 plus Cl minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, 1 minus 6, Cl minus 5 is equal to 0. Cl is equal to 5. The oxidation of chlorine in potassium chlorate is +5. Okay? Can you see? The oxidation state, option A is not correct. Okay, B is +2, which is not correct. C is +3, is not correct. While D is +5. That is the correct answer. Thank you.